Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I make this delicious spicy pepper sauce. This pepper sauce is very useful in the family, so you can just make it and store inside your airtight container and leave it inside your freezer. Anytime you want to make any recipe, just go there and bring it out. It's good to go. So if you are interested, sit back, continue watching, and I will see you at the end of this video. If you have watched to this minute, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, let me know in the comment section. Please guys, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and remember to set the notification bell icon to all. Share this video with your friends and like the video, and I'm going to see you again in my next video with another delicious recipe. I love you all guys. Bye bye. Ciao.